now tuned in to Tiffany Lee.
What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be sponsored by UNice Hair. I'm going to be showing you a unit that they sent over to me, but first I'm going to be unpackaging some of the items that they sent in the box. In this little baggie here, we have a wig cap, there's a pair of earrings, a rat tail comb, and some eyelashes. So I'm just showing you guys what they look like. So moving on to the actual unit, this is a 24-inch straight lace front wig with a 13x4 lace frontal, and it is a density of 150. So I will have this wig listed down in the description down below with a link, and you can use the code MyUnice, all lowercase, to get 10% off. So you can just see just how soft the hair is and how good quality it is. I'm running my hands through it multiple times and you can tell there is very little to no shedding at all. I actually don't think there was any at all. And the knots on the wig were actually really small, so I just wanted to do a close-up just to show what they look like. They were still visible, so of course I did have to go in and bleach them if I wanted a natural look, but the fact that they were small really helped out a lot and made it look more natural once I did bleach them. So in the next clip, I'll just be showing you guys me bleaching them, and then I'll begin installing the wig. And I chose not to go in depth for how I customize my wigs in this video just because I do have a video like that already on my channel. So I know I've already installed a few wigs already on here, but I figured it would just become too repetitive just showing you guys how I customize, like bleaching the knots and plucking the lace and all that, because it's pretty much the same for all the wigs that I get. So this isn't really a tutorial per se, but I will insert the tutorial that I do have on my channel so you guys can use that for reference. So you can see I'm starting off going in with my Ghost Bond XL glue. You can just find this on Amazon. It's just a lace adhesive glue. Just make sure that you're not allergic if you do use it for the first time. I would do a spot test because my skin doesn't usually react to it, but I noticed a few months ago when I used it, I did have a reaction, which was really weird, and then when I used it after that, it didn't. So I would just do a patch test just to be safe, or if you're just allergic to latex or any ingredients in lace glues, just stay away from them and just use like hairsprays and stuff like that. So like I said, this isn't going to be a tutorial, so I'm not going to do too much talking. I'll just let you guys watch me install, and I'm not a professional or anything, so do not judge my technique. This is just what works for me. I always try to get my lace laid, and you know, it always works in the end, so you just gotta trust the process. I'll be looking a little crazy, but we be pulling it together, so I'll just let y'all watch me install. And like I said, I will have the video listed for how I customize my wigs and everything, and I will also list the video where I show you guys how I style and install and lay down my hair and all that. So if you guys want an updated one, definitely let me know. I will have no problem doing that, and I can go into detail and give you guys the tutorial, even though I'm not a professional. But you know, if that's what y'all want, definitely let me know. But I will not be doing that in this video, so I'm gonna just shut my mouth and let y'all watch this video. Alright, so this is what the wig is looking like once I finished installing and styling. I just went with a little simple low half up, half down. So this is just what it looks like in the back as well. And this hair is 26 inches, so this is where it falls on me. Or no, 24 inches. This hair is just so soft and beautiful. I really don't have anything negative to say about this hair. I had very little shedding. The only shedding that I did have is from plucking, which is normal, but when I washed the hair, bleached the knots and everything, blow dried it, straightened it even, I had very little to no shedding, so that was a huge plus. I can't stop running my hands through this hair like ever since I finished because it is just so soft and like pretty. Like you can see how flowy it is. Like it's just beautiful. So I really do enjoy this hair. I don't really have much else to say. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, definitely make sure that you check the description box because it will be listed down below. And I want to thank UNice Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful wig. I really do enjoy it. So with all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure that you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.